Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you my budget-friendly kitchen makeover. This is the way my kitchen looked before. The walls were bright yellow, the cabinets were honey oak, I had white appliances, and I just really wanted to modernize the look and glam it up a bit. So let me show you what I did. I did not do a full renovation, but I'm going to show you what I did to change some things. The finished product, I absolutely love the way everything came out in this kitchen. I painted the walls. It used to be yellow, now it is a beautiful gray color. I used to have oak cabinets. I stained them with General Finishes Gel Stain in Java. And I changed out the hardware to this more modern, sleek looking hardware, and I got rid of the knobs. The kitchen absolutely had no character before. I changed out all the white appliances and changed them over to stainless steel, and I'm going to give you a tip on how I got a great deal on all of these stainless steel appliances, as well as the stain and the paint and everything. I'll tell you how much I paid for everything because it's really budget friendly, and I feel like everything I did made a huge impact on the kitchen. So after painting, the first thing I did was to install the Backsplash, and I got it from Lowe's, and it took me a couple of days to do it because I took my time with it. But I'll have the link to the tile that I used down below, and I love the way it came out. I love the way it matches with the wall color and the dark cabinets. It just really brightens up the space. And the total for all of the tile was around $300. It was a little bit less than $300 because I do have a lot left over, but I didn't take it back because I know that I could probably use it in the bathroom. This video is sponsored by Glamsockets, and this is so cute and so glam. This is actually a surge protector, and you can actually put your iPhone or your iPad in here and hold it. It also has a night light on it, and I just love the idea of this glam socket because it's just a nice way to plug in all your appliances or charge your phone or charge your iPad or your or any device actually, and it just gives a nice look versus having just, you know, just like an ugly surge protector hanging around. And I think it just lights up the space and gives it much more of a glam look, and I absolutely love the idea of this. Click on the link in my description box to see more about the Glamsockets. They have several different styles of the Glamsocket. I'm going to show you a couple of more that they have. See, you can see right here in the top, this is where you would sit your phone, and then on the back it only plugs into one of your outlets, but then you end up getting 3 outlets and two USB ports, and it gives off a nice, it's a night light as well, so it gives off a nice light at night, so you can kind of turn off the overhead lighting. So there's 3 of them here, and then 2 USBs at the bottom. Here's another design that they have, and they do have a lot of different designs. This is a damask print, so definitely click on that link so that you can see more about these Glamsockets. They are, I love them. I love them. So I have one in my bedroom. I have one, actually I have 2 in the kitchen. I have 1 in the bedroom. In the kitchen, I use it for when I need to look at recipes or watch YouTube videos while I'm cooking. And in the bedroom, I plug in my computer and my phone and charge them overnight. Anywhere you would use a surge protector, this is where you could use a glam socket. Now, I put these 3 Apothecary jars here where I have some sweets for my guests or for myself when I drink coffee in the mornings. Then over in the corner, I created this vignette. And look at this cute crystal cupcake that I put over here. I absolutely love this. I got this from Ross. Just about all the decor here is from Ross. Yeah, this is from Ross as well. Cute little gold apple that's also a candle. And then this is so adorable. This is it's actually it's a set of measuring cups that I got from HomeGoods. Aren't they just the cutest things you ever seen? Yeah, I love those. And over here, this is one of the appliances I bought. This is a Whirlpool stove, and the microwave is actually LG. Now, I bought these appliances on Black Friday and everything was half off. And I was going for stainless steel and the items that had the best rating. I did not care about matching all the different manufacturers and all that kind of stuff. So my appliances are by 3 different manufacturers, but I have the best of each and they were all half off. So if you're looking to upgrade your appliances, make sure to wait until Black Friday. And I forgot to mention that all of the appliances are from Lowe's. Now, if you know of another time of year or another store that has appliances at a great deal at a different time, drop it in the comments so that if someone else is looking to buy appliances, they can check that out. Cabinets were a 2-part process. I used the general finishes stain in the color Java, and I used 3 cans and they were $29.99 each, so it was less than $100 for the stain. And I used 1 can of polyurethane and matte, and that 1 can I believe was less than $15. So to do all of these cabinets, it cost me about $115. Now, I did change all of the hardware, the handles, and I got all of those from Amazon, and I will have that link below. Okay, and I did paint the walls. Like I said, it used to be a lemon yellow color, and I painted it to Accessible Beige by Sherwin. And I did paint this entire kitchen myself. It took me almost a week and a half, but I did use 3 gallons of paint, and they were about $30 each, so it was about $100 to paint the entire kitchen. And I did have a guy quote me to paint the kitchen, and he was going to charge me $450, so I decided to just go ahead and do it myself. And I'm glad that I did. And I just created this little conversation area over here in the bay window, right behind where I have the table. And this has worked out really well when I've had guests over, because this is an additional spot where people can sit and talk while others are eating, or they can actually eat there at that table as well. Okay, let's go back over here to the coffee bar, and I can show you how I have that set up. I do drink coffee every single day, so I have my Keurig machine here. I have another Glamsocket right behind it, and I just have 1 decor piece, this blingy peach or pear, I'm sorry. I have some spoons here, and this tower is from World Market. There's the Glamsocket again. I have the coffee machine plugged into it. This is just a decorative plate that I have here, and my 2 storage containers that I got from HomeGoods. I have my coffee pods in there, and I also have some creamer and sugar in the other one. Okay, let's go on the other side of the fridge where the bar cart is. I actually picked up this bar cart at Ross, and the wine rack is from Burlington. And I just have a few things on here. I have at the bottom here just the wine, and I have some wine stoppers and an automatic wine opener, and then at the top I just have a few glasses. These are my wine stoppers I have collected from all over the place. Now let's hop back over to the countertop. The curtain that you see here hanging, this is just a regular length curtain that I'm using on a curtain rod with 2 tassels. and that's giving me that balanced look because I wanted something different and I didn't want the typical things that I was seeing on the store, so I decided to make that, and I really like the way it came out. Now the only thing I have left to do in this kitchen is to get the countertops replaced. I want to get quartz countertops, and I'm going to have that done professionally. I'm not sure when yet, but when I get it done I will come back and show it to you. I'm also going to get molding placed on the top of the cabinets, and I'm going to decorate the top of the cabinet as well. If anybody's interested in seeing how I decorate the top of the cabinet, let me know in the comments. So guys, I want to thank you for coming along with me as I showed you my mini budget-friendly kitchen makeover. And if you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comments and I will get back with you. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.